Beauty and fitness. Health is wealth. By being physically fit, it can make a person look lean both inside and out. There is a lot a person can do, such jogging or walking in the morning, playing basketball or any other sport with friends. But if a person wants to have muscles and look lean, the best thing to do will be to sign up and work out in a gym. Just like taking any medicine, one should first consult a doctor before undergoing any form of exercise. Physical exercise is beneficial because it helps maintain and improve one's health from a variety of diseases and premature death. It also makes a person feel happier and increases one's self-esteem, preventing one from falling into depression or anxiety. It has also shown to make a person with an active lifestyle live longer than a person who doesn't. The best exercise plans should have cardiovascular and weight training exercises. This helps burn calories and increase the muscle to fat ratio that will increase one's metabolism and make one either gain or lose weight. A person who has never worked out before should do it gradually. Doing it too much for the first time can make one pull a muscle or have an injury, making it worse. Endurance will never be built in a day, and doing it repeatedly will surely be good to the person. Focusing on certain portion in the body can help make it improve. A good example is going to the gym and doing a workout more often in a specific area such as the abs can give one a chest pack. But beauty is not only about having muscles, which is what people can see. It is also about enhancing the beauty within. Here are some things one can do every day to stay beautiful and healthy. Reading books and other reading material more often keeps the mind sharp, just like working out keeps the body in shape. Work, no matter what kind it is, produces stress. One can reduce this by taking the time out to do something special like lying in a hot tub, shopping, or watching a movie. Studies have shown it is reliever and helps one from looking haggardly. Pollution is something people cannot control, given the size of the problem. When one goes out, it is best to put some form of protection such as beauty products that contain antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. There are also other beauty products available, and choosing the right one with the help of a dermatologist can help the person. Another way to stay healthy is to give up some vices. Most people smoke and drink. Smoking has been proven to cause lung cancer and other diseases as well, complications for women giving birth. Excessive drinking has also shown to do the same. For people who don't smoke, it is best to stay away from people who do, since studies have shown that non-smokers are also at risk of developing cancer due to secondary smoke inhalation. Lastly, it is best to always start the day with a positive outlook. Just as studies have shown that exercise makes a person feel happier, smiling produces the same effect. A smile can do a lot, and it is contagious in a positive sense. It brightens the day of not only one but others as well.